years ago. Nothing ever felt quite right until I discovered these curtains by 2Pages. They offered exactly what I was looking for and are fully customizable. For my project, I chose from the Sara linen collection in the beautiful ivy brown color. You can select the exact width, length, pleat style, and level of lining with a variety of different fabrics and patterns, which is amazing if you're designing with a specific look or function in mind. I went with a Tailor pleat in a blackout lining. The installation process is incredibly simple. It is designed to be completely manageable by just one person, which made the entire installation process stress-free from start to finish. The curtains come with clips that are easily adjustable to ensure you get the perfect length. They offer so many fabric options, from neutral linens to bold patterns, so it's easy to find something that fits your home. I'd recommend 2Pages to anyone because the quality, customization, and price point are hard to beat. Being able to customize the width made it so when the curtains are closed, they still look incredible while adding privacy to my space. The curtains make such a difference and really elevated the whole look of the room. The feel of the curtains is so rich and luxurious. They drape beautifully and hang just the way you'd hope for. It transformed my dining room into the perfect place to host family and friends, as well as work on all my future design projects. I couldn't be happier with how they turned out.